Hi, my name is Omkar and welcome to our channel Stock Talks. Since last fall in Tata Elxsi, people are asking if it is the right time to book profit or is there any swing trading opportunity. So today we'll discuss about Tata Elxsi and we will try to figure out its possible moves in real future. Tata Elxsi is among world's leading providers of design and technology services. The sector itself looks positive and according to the predictions surely will have good future ahead. Also, the stock has given excellent returns to its investors till now, but the discussions are getting triggered if it is overvalued and because of ongoing PE ratio of almost 85. Let's analyze some fundamentals of the stock. So currently Tata Elxsi has the market capital of rupees 37,567 crores. So in those terms it comes under mid cap sector. The current price is 6,032 rupees. The stock PE is 81.8. The best part here is ROCE and ROE. The ROCE is 40% and excellent ROE is of 29.9%. So as we can see here, till November 2020, its stock was somewhat flat. But after that, it has given excellent rally. Let's analyze the reasons why it has happened. Some pros of the companies are, company is almost debt free. The company has a good return on equity. The last 3 years record is 29.69%, which is really excellent. The company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 50.11. A few cons are stock is trading at 29.11 times of its book value. The company has delivered a poor sales growth of 11.18% over past 5 years. When we compare it with peers, Tata Elxsi have a PE ratio of 81.83. It is only behind Happiest Mind, which have 129.74. And ROCE is best of all, which is 40.03. So while analyzing result, the most important part here is the net profit were somewhat same till September 2020. But after that, it has grown a lot. And this is what we can see in the chart also. After November 2020, it has boosted so much. And the reason is increase in profit. Also, if we check the shareholding pattern, the promoters are holding healthy amount of share, which is 44.57%, which is constant across all the quarters that we can see here. So it is a good sign, reflects that promoters have a good confidence on the company. Let's analyze the chart now. So as we can see, it was somewhat flat till December 2020, but after December 2020, it has given a strong and sustainable rally till August 2021. But after August 2021, it has started another sub-trend, as you can see here. The stiffness of the trend increased drastically here, and it is not so sustainable. And it has created a step-wise pattern overall in past, right? So we can assume something similar can happen here. Anyways, the stock has given a great rally, so we can expect some consolidation or retracement here. It can meet its 50-day moving average somewhat here by retracing a bit. Otherwise, it can consolidate till here to meet its 50 days moving average. So let's move to the conclusion now. So to conclude, if you are an investor, then you can hold a stock for long term as it definitely have some good prospects in long term. Recently, a few of the stocks have taught us that always keep a stop loss in system, as generally in bull market, people sitting with large profit book their profit at some levels, and this profit booking create sharp corrections which we saw in markets in last couple of years. We have seen it many times. If you are looking for swing trade, then you may have to wait now, as we are expecting some consolidation or a bit of retracement in stock before continuing its rally ahead. That can be treated as an buying opportunity also. Thank you so much for watching this video. That's it from our side. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such analytical videos. Thank you.